unlimited being with the ability to create anything I want. My desires are manifested in reality. Good things are coming to me today. Money comes to me easily and effortlessly. I am always attracting fun into my life. I attract success into my life effortlessly. I know and believe with certainty in my ability to achieve. I deserve to be successful. My life is filled with abundance. My dreams naturally manifest into reality every day. My powers of manifestation grow day by day. I am positive, passionate, and successful. I see endless opportunities before me. I receive money just by thinking of abundance. I easily attract the things that I desire most. I am always led to people who need what I have to offer. I think positively and always get positive results. I am transforming my life using the law of attraction. Abundance surrounds me everywhere I go. The law of attraction is constantly working in my favor. I accept and allow success in all areas of my life. I turn my dreams into reality. My thoughts are the architects of my destiny. I am committed to my goals and dreams. Success follows me everywhere I go. I deserve to have everything I want in life. I am limited by nothing and have unlimited potential. I am open and receptive to all of the good in the universe. If I think it, I can do it. I am a divine magnet for financial abundance and prosperity. All good things are now flowing into my life. Prosperity is all around me. I am grateful for all of the abundance in my life. Money flows into my life with ease. My actions create constant prosperity. I attract lasting and happy relationships into my life. I achieve great results in everything that I do. Everything is going to work out for my highest good. I attract everything I desire. My self-worth and net worth are constantly growing. I am an unstoppable force capable of achieving anything. For more powerful and transformational affirmations, visit them to claim your free life-changing affirmations starter pack. This free pack contains 101 expertly crafted affirmations that are designed to speak directly to your subconscious in order to enhance all areas of your life in a very dramatic way.